Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about my favorite IKEA products. I know it feels like this is only video number 3 and I've already talked about IKEA in 2 out of 3 of those, but I really like IKEA. And I think the products they have made over the years has really improved as far as versatility if you have a low budget or even like higher end budget. I know some people love IKEA like me and some people do not like IKEA. They think it's cheap, and I will say some of their stuff is definitely cheap, but I think they've gotten better about that because they have some things that not only are pricier, but they're a little bit better quality than some of the other cheaper things. All right, here are my top 15 IKEA items that I think can work in just about every home. By the way, I'm probably gonna butcher all of these names and I will include a picture so you'll know what I'm talking about. I also own most of these products, so I can speak from experience with those, but some of them I don't own, but I've seen them in other people's spaces. I think the versatility is really good. Okay, first on the list is the flattest basket. I own about 2 of these and I love them. I use one as a dirty laundry hamper for Abel since he has such tiny clothes, and the other one I use is to hide cords by the desk. I've also seen these used as something to put your plant in, which I think is super cute, and I've actually thought about doing that with my philodendron, is that how you say it? My philodendron right over there, but I don't know, we'll see. Sorry, I'm recording with my phone today and my phone like turned off, and so hopefully this is the same frame or close to it. All right, the second on my list is the run-in decking, and I love this and I think it is so beautiful and so perfect for apartment patios. It is a little expensive, but I think it really transforms like an outside patio, especially if you don't have any type of outdoor area other than like a small patio. I think it makes it look much nicer. Also, these are in no particular order. I just wrote them all down and I'm going through them one by one. Next one would be the Saxborga, what do they call them? The Saxborga jars. I don't know if I said that right, but it's like it comes in a set of 5 and it's like a cork around them and it's just like a clear jar, and I really like those. I think those are really versatile. They'd be really great in the bathroom or in the kitchen maybe, and I like that they're neutral because they can go with any design style that you like. Next are the Naglig boxes. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but basically they're these boxes right here. I have the smaller ones. They have one that is a little bit bigger. These just fit perfectly here, so I got the smaller ones, but I definitely would want to get the bigger ones in the future. And they go with anything. You can stain them, you can paint them, you can leave them raw like I did. Anything to hide clutter, love it. Next is the Snidad basket. I actually use it for my laundry hamper. I use the flattest baskets for Abel, and I use the Snidad basket for me and my clothes. I also cut the handles off because at one point I did use it for to hide cords and like cord clutter. I've also seen these be turned into a table. You can just put like a piece of wood on top and it works as like a nice coffee table or an outdoor table, and I thought that was a really clever idea. Next on my list is the Scuggis hook. I actually have these in my bathroom and I use them instead of having a towel bar. I have multiple hooks on the wall, and I really like it because it kind of gives visual interest into the bathroom, because I don't know, for me a towel bar just is kind of like this long thing on the wall. I think they would work really well in an entryway as well. And while we're on the topic of hooks, I really like the Bastis hook as well. That's like with a little dog butt, and I think that's perfect for like we need to put the dog leash going up. So for all of my animal lovers, that one's for you. Next is the Trampa doormat, and I really like this because it's really simple. I like it because if you wanted to customize it, all you have to do is paint it and you can do different patterns on it or lines. Next would just be their 20 by 20 inner pillow. It's just a pillow. That's what they have it on their website as. I like this because I'm a big fan of interchanging pillowcases, and pillowcases I think at IKEA are around $5 and the pillow itself is about $3. If you get the pillow, then you can just interchange them as much as you want. Also, you can DIY pillowcases, which are super easy, no sew ones. Next are the IKEA 365 Plus coasters. I like these because they're really versatile as well. It can kind of be included in any decor style. Again, you can paint them if you don't like them. I'm sure there's a bunch of like Pinterest hacks out there for them as well. Next would be the Ribba frame, the really large frame that they have at IKEA. If you try and search for frames are not cheap, and I think that one is like $20 or $25, and it is such a good deal. And if you just put a nice little DIY art in there, or if you already have art, it's like a cheap way to change an area of a room or even a room. Next is the Malmbach display shelf. I think these would work well in a living room if you wanted to do like a gallery wall type thing, but without having to poke so many holes into the wall. You can have different pieces of art on the shelf, or even include like your little trinkets in it, and I think you can really customize and interchange what you want to be displayed. Next would be the Brennis laundry basket. And I know I said earlier that I use the, what is it again? The Snidad basket, but I also use this one as well. So this is like my main laundry basket, and then I use the other one for like my denim. I wash denim separately. Does everyone do that? I don't know. But I love this one. I think it makes a big difference in your room. I know when I use like just the regular plastic hampers, I felt like that was like the only thing that I didn't really like about what's on the ground, at least. It's just nice when everything matches and goes together, and I don't know, it looks all like natural. I'm gonna stop now. Next would be the Beckvam Spice Rack. I love this. I've seen so many people hack this for so many different things. I use it actually for my bathroom. It's like an added little storage shelf where there was no storage before, and I love it. It keeps things off the counter. I've seen people flip it around and you can like hang things on the rod. There's just so many things you can do with this, and I love this one because it's so versatile and can work in just about any space. Next on my list is the Sandschulp brackets. I think that's what it's called. When I looked on their website, they had it listed as a new product and it was white, but the ones that I'm talking about are the wood ones because you can really customize them. So I don't know if it's the exact same one, but if it's not, it's the same look of it. It's just one's white and one's wood. But I really like these. I've seen these hacked as well. You can hang clothes on them. You can make like you can hang a pendant light on it, and it's like for your side tables or above your side tables, like a night light or a reading light. I should say a reading light because that's more adult. But I really like these. You can stain them, you can paint them. Again, very customizable. So my bonus one, I guess, is the Beckvam step stool. The only reason it's a bonus, I have it right here actually. I think it's kind of clean. Ugh. This guy. The only reason it's a bonus is because I could not find it on the website, which kind of scares me, because if they don't have it at IKEA, I'd be very shocked that they took it off of their inventory or whatever. I'm not sure if they took it off their website because they're not selling it anymore or what, but this is like one of my favorite IKEA products. I use it personally as a night table. I use it to water my plants on the plant shelf. When my nieces are over, which they haven't been because of quarantine, they take it and so they can wash their hands in the bathroom. Like, I love this stool. So the fact that they may not be selling it anymore is kind of crazy and sad. If they still sell it, please go get one because I love it. All right guys, those are my 15 favorite IKEA products. I hope y'all found this relatable, and I hope I can keep providing y'all with some content. I am kind of going through the ringer right now with school, but in about 2 weeks, I hope to give more attention to this channel and more thought into each video. I do want to make each video better and better as they come, and I hope I can just keep improving for y'all. And any other type of videos y'all want to see, just let me know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's @CreatingHomeWithStephanie. I'll link it down below. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.